So now I'm gonna head over to the park and I'm gonna hook up the GoPro Hero 5 Black to the Sport Cub S RC airplane. I'm gonna try to put it on it. So, of course, it's old and used, but I want to see if maybe I can mount a sticky thing on top right here and put the GoPro hooked up to it. I don't know if it'll be able to take off or lift or anything, but I'm gonna try, see what happens. If not, I'll just take the camera off and just leave this piece stuck on there for now. I'll fly the plane around, but we'll see what happens. I'm gonna try it. Okay, we're here at the park now. Finally made it. And the dog ran over there, looking around. Alright, so let's try to hook this thing up to here. I don't think it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try it anyway. This is a GoPro Hero 5 Black, so that's the type of GoPro that's on here. It's big and heavy. I doubt it's gonna work, but we're doing it anyway. Alright, you're gonna be upside down for a second. Maybe I'll fast forward through this. Alright, let's see if it'll even take off at all. I don't think it will. Oh, crash and burn. Hey, no, no, Gary, no, hey. Okay. This is what happens. This is what happens to the plane with the GoPro on top. Nosedive right into the ground. Hey! Dang!
Stop!
It broke.
Hey, stop! Calm down.
So no GoPro on this, what do you call it, Sport Cub S. Can't put a GoPro on it. Nosedive right to the ground. Alright, I'm gonna try to fly it without it. Try to tape it back up or glue it. I figure I'd turn it back on real quick. Can you see what I'm gonna do? Okay, I got like a little kit in here because I've crashed it a few times. So I got some foam glue, special foam glue for fixing the airplanes. I got extra batteries for the remote. I got some scotch tape that'll tape this top back down. That looks like that's all that happened, is just the top came off. That's how you open it up. You take the top off. So the tape broke, it looks like right here on the sticker. And then it broke in the front. And the tape broke I had on the top and the back right here too. So I'm just gonna tape it all back down and try to straighten it all out, and it should work. So let's see. I don't have a way to hold the camera, so I'll get right back to you.
Fixing it first.
Okay, so I'll show you exactly how I fixed it. All I did was put a piece of tape on right here, hold the front of it down, with a piece of tape right here on the back, hold the back of it down. Now it's taped together, it's good to go. I'll hold that.
Let me hold the dog still.
And it's good to go. Alright, Callie, you ready?
Hold on, let me let it go.
Yeah, let it go.
Hold on.
Alright, hold on. Alright. Here comes the crazy dog, ready?
Oh. Oh my goodness. Good job. There she goes.
She'll eat it. Oh! Alright, hold on a second. Okay, here is the little dog harness I have for the dog. And strap on her, and you're gonna hook the GoPro up to her back, or you're gonna hook it up to her chest. But she's a little too short for the chest because the camera like scrapes the ground or points at the ground. So I'm just using one on her back. You can watch her run out there and chase the plane down and jump up in the air and try to grab the plane out in midair. She tries to do. So let's see what happens. Gotta get this harness thing on her. She's over there with Michelle. I don't know if they're coming back. Oh, they're getting some water out of the water fountain. Callie's getting a drink. Here comes Callie. Callie! There she is, fueled up, ready to go. Where's that plane at? Come here. Good girl. Yeah, you good girl. You like the camera. Okay. You're a good girl, Callie. Callie Wallace. You don't like the harness, but taking a break. We got the harness on. I just gotta slide it in. See what happens. There we go. We're good. Get the plane ready to go. Plane needs some work when we get home.
Tape.
Got it. Got the plane going. You ready, Callie? You ready? You ready for the plane? Come on. Come on. Callie.
Go. Go run so Grandpa can see you.
Come on.
Go.
Callie, come here.
Hello, my little love. Good plane. Good plane. Oh. Windy. Damn. Don't crash it.
Oh my god! Oh my god, Gabby! What are you doing? Oh my god! Look what she just laid it. She found a mud puddle.
The only mud.
The only water and mud in this whole place is at the soccer goal, and she lays in it.
I didn't bring a towel. I didn't think
Oh
this
my
was a
god,
water.
Gabby, come here. Come here. She's hot. She's like, I need some water.
Mud.
Come here. Don't get. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna put you in the fucking drinking
She loves the water.
The only
She swims out in the middle of the lake chasing the ducks when we take her to Pudding Stone.
Hanging her foot.
You want to take it off then? Take it off. Callie, come here.
It's like too tight underneath her armpit.
Yeah.
Your armpit.
Take this off first and tie that.
Your little armpit.
Okay.
I can't believe she did that. That was fucking hilarious. Like,
I wish a GoPro would work on the plane. I'm gonna try it again real quick. Since we're about to leave, might as well give it one last shot. I'll pull back on the plane. I want to get it in the air for a second. Look at the footage does. Still synchronized, so let's go. Super heavy, but it's thrown into the strong wind. See what happens. Full throttle. Here we go. Please don't nose dive. Callie, no! No, Callie! No! 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 It busted again. Same thing.
Nikki.
Oh, broke it off even more. Hey!
Muddy dog.
Oh, you mighty dog. Good girl.
So funny.
Go jump in the mud again. You're already muddy. You might as well jump back in it. Go. Go.
No.
Alright. That's enough for this today. I'll have to tape it back up. Try something else another day. I guess this will be the end of the video. So, just gonna head home now. Maybe fix this, pack it up, try it another day. Alright, Callie.